Hi guys, if you don't already know, Sony just released the Sony ZV-E10. Now in my honest opinion, it does not really replace its predecessor, the Sony ZV-1. With the release of the Sony ZV-E10, the price of the Sony ZV-1 will definitely drop a little and it'll be a very good time to buy it. For all those who plan to get the Sony ZV-1, I'll be covering 5 must-haves for this little compact camera. Number 1 is definitely screen protectors. As the screen of the Sony ZV-1 will often open and close, flip and turn, it's easy to scratch or even damage it. Having a screen protector can save you quite a bit on screen repairs or even on replacements, which can cost you in the range of hundreds. There are no specific brands for screen protectors, but I'll leave some options down in the description below with good reviews for you to check them out. Number 2 is a wide angle lens. Now, can you really put a wide angle lens on the Sony ZV-1? No, but Ulanzi came up with a very brilliant idea and a very brilliant lens, which is this WL1. As the ZV-1 has a fixed lens and an effective range of 28 to 70 mm, it's a bit challenging to use it for vlogging as 28 mm isn't that wide to capture the background with your subject in it. Having the W1 attached can effectively increase your focal range to 18 mm, which is much wider and comfortable for vlogging or taking landscape shots. Let me just briefly attach it to show you guys how it works. So all you have to do is just put it here and just turn it in. And not only that, it has a micro lens, so it comes in 2 components. All you have to do is just remove the top portion over here, and once you remove it, there's actually a macro lens right under the wide angle lens over here. It's really amazing and impressive as it can capture details of your subjects which your eyes can't even see, such as the texture and granular features of your subjects, which is really amazing. Number 3 are microphones. Now there are 2 main categories of microphones: wired and wireless. For the wired option, I'll recommend this Rode Video Micro as it's really small and it is a shotgun condenser mic, which can pick up your vocals in a single direction especially well. So here we are just starting with the camera itself. It doesn't have any mics on, so this is what comes out of the camera, which is a little bit raw and artificial if you can hear my vocals. This is the third microphone, and do let me know if the audio and vocals are clearer. Can you hear the sound of the waves at the back? It only costs below 100 and definitely amplifies your audio 10 times better than the built-in mic. Now for the wireless option, even though I do not have it with me, this is actually the DJI Pocket 2 wireless mic. I'll recommend the Rode Wireless Go. It recently released the version 2, which is really good and has very good reviews. Most of the YouTubers that I follow have been using it and has very good things to say about it and very little cons about that microphone. Now, but if you want a cheaper mic, definitely go for this Telesin UHF2, which I've recently reviewed and costs about 35 USD, which is extremely cheap. As I've done a full review on this, I will not be going down in the details, but if you're interested, I'll be leaving it down in the description below for you to check it out. Last but not least are definitely memory cards. If you're planning to use this for long recording, I'll recommend at least a 64GB or 128GB to be able to last you at least 4 hours of shoot. But in the memory card, there are a lot of details and little information which you might not know, such as all of these little symbols over here. And all this can be quite important, so I'll be directing to a video which I've done over here for you to go down in the details and the things which you really need to know about getting a good memory card. Now if you have enjoyed this video, do give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Now if you want more information about the Sony ZV-1, I have a playlist over here that you want to check it out to be able to find out things about this camera which you did not know. If not, I'll see you guys in the next video.